Okay, I have a another Kwikset. It's a 6-pin lock. Does work smooth. It is locked up. This is a bitting on the key. Okay. Let's make sure that it's still turned now so I can get that clip off easier. Okay, we'll use the bottom of the keyway. Let's use this pick. Okay, there's pin 4. Okay, pin 5. Okay, pin 6. Pin 3. Okay, we need to get some feedback on pin 6. Got a little bit more on pin 6. Okay, pin 3. Pin 2, I believe. No, it's pin 1. Okay, we dropped some pins, so let's go back and reset them. Okay, there it is, open on pin 3. Okay, this Kwikset's not much better than that 5-pin. If I'd have practiced on it a little bit, probably would have opened a little quicker. But I just can't understand these lock companies that won't build a better lock. They keep making the same old mistake over and over every year. See if I can get this clip off. Okay, we have all 6 pins in and working. Serrated, 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 and serrated. And the plug is threaded in all 6 pin chambers. Okay, let's check our top pins now. Let's back up just a little. Okay, it looks like a spool. Looks like a little bit longer spool. That's another spool. Another spool. Oops. That's a acetype pin or trampoline pin, whichever way you want to call it. This next one is a acetype pin or trampoline pin. We'll take a close look at them. Okay, there is threading in 1, 3, 4, and 6 on the Bible. So let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. All key pins are serrated. This has a little short spool, a little bit longer spool, another factory type spool. On 4, 5, and 6, serrated key pin, serrated key pin, serrated key pin. Another spool. This is like an acetype pin on both of these. This one's not cut quite as deep as this one. Okay, that's what we have on this Kwikset 6-pin cylinder lock. Thank you for watching. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. I appreciate it.